Hello and welcome, everyone. Are you building dashboards for multiple customers and wondering how to keep their data secure, scalable, and easy to manage? In this video, I will explore how Bold BI easily manages permissions to access multi-tenancy architecture and expand analytics capabilities securely. First, let me give a short overview of Bold BI. Bold BI is a next-generation analytics solution designed to help organizations transform raw data into actionable insights. Whether you need self-service dashboards or a fully embedded analytics experience, Bold BI offers flexible deployment and robust security for teams of all sizes. Bold BI offers the following features: dashboard creation and visualization. Build interactive dashboards with rich visual components for real-time insights. Data connectivity and modeling. Connect to diverse data sources and shape data using built-in modeling tools. AI-powered analytics. Enhance decision-making with predictive analytics and intelligent data exploration. Collaboration and sharing. Share dashboards securely and collaborate through comments and scheduled exports. Security and access control. Protect data with role-based access, authentication, and row-level security. Embedding and integration. Embed dashboards into applications using the API and SDK. Branding and localization. Customize the UI and support multiple languages for global accessibility. Performance optimization. Ensure fast dashboard rendering with caching and query optimization. Flexible deployment. Deploy the Bold BI application in environments such as Windows, Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, and Azure. Let me give you a real-world organizational architecture that I'm going to use in the demo. The Bold Corp organization has 4 clients: Alpha Electronics, Beta Enterprise, Gamma Industries, and Delta Industries. Each client has multiple users at different levels of responsibility. Their sales data is stored in PostgreSQL databases named Alpha Electronics Sales Analysis, Beta Enterprises Sales Analysis, Gamma Industries Sales Analysis, and Delta Industries Sales Analysis, respectively. Bold BI converts their sales data into visual metrics for better analysis. I have already designed the Sales Analysis dashboard with the configuration of Alpha Electronics Sales Analysis database and embedded in ASP.NET Core application. I have included the video for embedding the dashboard in an ASP.NET Core application in the description. Based on the organization's structure, do I need to duplicate the dashboard for every client? In the video, I will give a solution for above problem. For example, if I want analysis the Beta Enterprise client data, should I duplicate the dashboard for the client during that time? No need. Bold BI offers a custom attribute feature support. A custom attribute is essentially a parameter that acts as a global placeholder within queries, custom expressions, or the data source connection interface. These attributes are stored individually for each user and are dynamically applied when rendering dashboards, allowing for a personalized and secure data experience. Custom attributes can be defined at 3 levels. User-level attributes can be set by the site administrator on the user's profile page. Group-level attributes are configured on the group profile page. Site-level attributes are managed by the UMS administrator on the site details page. To demonstrate the feature, I will configure a custom attribute at the user level to change the dynamic connection string. First, I open Dashboard Server application and navigate to the user's page from the main menu. Since I'm logged in as an administrator, I open my profile. I go to the Attributes section and add a new attribute. I name the attribute and set its value to the Alpha Electronics Sales Analysis database. Then I save the changes. Next, I open the Sales Analysis dashboard. In the query editor, I click Edit Connection. Replace the static database name with the custom attribute syntax and reconnect the data source. After saving the changes, I return to the Dashboard Designer. and preview the dashboard. To apply this configuration in the web application, I open the homecontroller.cs file and update the token generation method. For example, Sam wants to see the dashboard for Beta Enterprise client data. I add the custom attributes list, which includes its details. I add the custom attribute name and value. Once everything is set up, I run the application. Now, the dashboard displays Beta Enterprise client sales data. Next, I will configure the custom attribute at group level. To do this, I go back to Homepage and open Settings from Main Group. Then I select the Group option and create a new group. I enter the name and add it. I open it and add Jack, Grace, Henry, and Leo as users. Next, I add a new attribute and enter the name and assign the Alpha Electronics Sales Analysis value and save it. In the same way, I create a new group, add users to group, and set the custom attribute. I log into the dashboard server application using the Jack credentials and open the dashboard. Then I edit the data source connection and add the attribute name with syntax and reconnect it. Finally, I preview the dashboard. Grace, Henry, and Leo are members of the Alpha Electronics group, so they can only access the group custom attribute and connect the data source dynamically. Others are restricted to access the attribute. Finally, I will set the custom attribute at Site. In the dashboard application, I open the Manage Sites option from the profile. There are multiple tenants created. I open the Alpha Electronics tenant and move on to the Attributes section. I add new attributes and fill in the necessary details. In the same way, I open the Beta Enterprise tenant and add the attribute. Then I return to Homepage of the Alpha Electronics tenant and a few dashboards are added. You can use the Alpha Electronics attribute anywhere within that tenant. But you cannot use attributes from other tenants. In this video, I have shown you how to configure the custom attribute at the user, group, and site level to dynamically change a data source connection and ensure security. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. If you don't yet have a Bold BI subscription, you can try the platform out with a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button. If you'd prefer a demo from an expert, you can schedule one by clicking the Request a Demo button. These links are included in a video description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.